Now let's enter point mode on the Krone X Bundle. Based on these visuals, we need to level the Krone X. First, let's look at this visual. It tells us that the jib and the dolly need to be parallel. We're going to rotate the jib so it's perfectly parallel to the dolly. First, let's bring the jib to a horizontal position and lock it in place. This will make it easier to see the parallel alignment. Think of the dolly's body as a line and the jib as a perfectly straight line. They need to be completely parallel. Stepping behind the setup might be a better way to check the alignment. From this angle, you can easily see that the bodies are perfectly parallel. Align the jib exactly with the dolly and we're good to go. We've taken care of the first visual. Now let's move on to the head adjustment shown in the second visual. At this stage, we'll make sure the camera is facing straight ahead, perfectly aligned with the jib. We turn the camera to face forward. We check it from the side to ensure it's pointing straight ahead, and we also check its alignment from a top-down view. You can also ensure the camera's alignment by visually checking that the flat front of the lens is perfectly perpendicular to the straight body of the jib. After one final check of everything, we can now tap Done to complete this step. For the final step, we will enter these two details. Since we locked the jib horizontally in the previous step, this stage is already complete. In this part, the app asks for the length of the jib. We simply read the distance on the jib and enter it into the app. For the final step, it asks for the length of the connection at the end of the jib. Since the newer generation jibs don't have any lines, the no lines option is the right choice. Tap Set to finalize the calibration. We are now ready to use point mode.